What is going on, everybody? Today we have a new knife, the ProTech 5415 Runt J4 Auto. This is a California legal knife for the most part. Remember always to check your local, state, and city laws before trying to carry anything that you're in question of whether or not it's legal. California especially, because there are things that might be okay supposedly to the state, but maybe not okay to your city. So cities are very variable. Trying to figure out what kind of box this is and trying to this trying to obviously block my shipping information, which is on the other side. So I guess we're just gonna have to chop all the way through the rough way. There we go. Boy, it's a hefty box for a little knife there. All right, let's get rid of that. All right. Okay, ProTech. There's your information right there. 5415 blue, Runt J4. This is considered like the jalapeno because it's kind of shaped like a jalapeno. Whew, we're getting small, boys. We're getting small. If this isn't legal somewhere, there's an issue, in my opinion. Oh my God. Okay, the pouch is even small. Woo, yeah, there you go. Look at that. It's actually really nice looking. It is a small knife. Ooh, snappy though. That is a ProTech for sure. That's a full chisel grind. So totally flat on one side. It is 154 cm, which is pretty good. There's your identification, exactly what it is. Yeah, that's a small knife. The spring is almost more aggressive than the knife. I mean, surprisingly, it fits all right, and it fits comfortably in the hand. It would probably be nice if it had a little bit of a finger choil in there. That's really not a finger choil, that's just a sharpening choil. But yeah, you know, nice recessed button. Totally recessed. So you're not gonna accidentally pull it, which is a good thing because that's an aggressive spring. That is a aggressive spring. There is absolutely no movement, which is pretty surprising for an automatic knife to begin with. I always find that there's a tiniest little bit of movement to most autos, but there's not anything to this. You can see maybe kind of sort of see the black on black makes it a little hard to see, but perfect alignment. The total flat side with the curved side gives it the appearance that it isn't, but it is. So yeah, that's a snappy little knife. It's very nice. That is a snappy, pretty good Tanto on it. Yep, it appears to be totally flat grind all the way around. It doesn't really appear to have any, it appears to be totally flat. Let's see here. Yeah, it's pretty much flat there. Pretty much flat up here too. So yeah, no hollow grind, totally flat ground. But yeah, I mean, you know, if you're looking for an, ooh, careful, that's sharp. I always find that out the hardest way. But if you're looking for an, you know, a small, cool little automatic, and you live in a New York or California where you have to have under a 2-inch blade, This blade is, I do believe it's about 194 is what the website says. So it's a little under 2 inches for a blade. The total length is 5 inches and 27. So just a tad over 5¼ inches overall. So yeah, that's a stiff spring. So she gonna fly out for you. You know, that's pretty, you know, great for, you know, opening packages, I'm sure. You know, it's a pretty thin blade. That chisel grind's gonna give you a nice edge, and it does have a nice edge on it. So, you know, if you want a good carrying little knife that's legal in a place that a lot of things aren't legal, this is pretty cool. Yeah, that is snappy. Yep, that's the ProTech. ProTech is great with their snappy, solid, snappy, aggressive autos. And this is certainly, as small as it is, I mean, it'll almost fly out of your hand. I mean, it's pretty powerful. So there you are. There's the jalapeno by ProTech. You know, nice pocket clip, not extremely deep carry by any means. You're pretty much looking at about right there. So you got, you know, a little bit. This does come in, you know, different colors. I think it does come in black. There's a couple of different black versions I've seen. Some black with some white marbling inlays, and they can get pretty fancy. But yeah, these come and go, so you have to keep your eyes open. You know, I think I you know, was looking for something Cali legal for those beautiful people out there that living in the very communist, tough place to live, California. You know, feel bad for them. I'd never live there. Beautiful state, but you know, they got a lot of crazy laws out there. So I'd skip all that personally. But this is for you guys, you know, out there. And not just even out there. I mean, there's a lot of other places that, you know, you have to have a small blade. You know, if you're in Europe, you know, there's all kinds of crazy laws out there as far as what you can have when it comes to a pocket knife. So, you know, it is what it is. And so there you go. It's under 2 inches of blade. I can't, you know, how aggressive are you gonna look when you're holding this? Yeah, come on. I mean, yeah, give me a break. So there you go. That's it. That's 2 inches, under 2 inches legal, and hopefully many places, but it's an automatic. So I think in Europe, I think that pretty much makes it, it's lockable. So I think that pretty much makes it illegal there. I don't know. But like I said, make sure you check your local laws for, you know, what they allow you to have and what you don't allow you to have, because God only knows these days. So there you go, guys. Hopefully that's a legal automatic knife from ProTech, no matter where you live. Let's hope so. And, you know, remember, if you guys like what the content over here at this channel, we always have more content coming of Tanto knives. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you like this video of a cool little California legal knife, and hopefully legal in many other places, smash that like button for us. And we always have more content coming for you guys. So we'll see you next time on the next one, guys. Have a great day.